Shalom, 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 traders, and greetings in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ. This is Forex Emergency Help, and today I'm bringing you a topic that is called candlestick chart patterns. I want to share some little information with you all about candlestick chart patterns, especially if you are new to Forex trading, if you are a complete beginner. This topic is for you. Do not go anywhere. Just go and hit like, just go and subscribe, and just go and hit the bell notification, and God bless you as you do. My channels are Brilliant Trading Tips and also Forex Emergency Help. You can go subscribe on those YouTube channels. Without any further ado, let us kick it in and go to today's topic. Listen, in Forex trading, there are three most popular charts that we use to trade. There are three most popular charts that we use to trade. The first one is line chart, the second one is bar chart, and the third one is a candlestick chart. That's what we are going to focus on, the candlestick chart, because almost everyone who is a trader is using the candlestick charts, and the candlestick chart patterns are the patterns that we get in the market, and they tell us something about the future movement of the price. They tell us something about the future movement of the price. Now, what is a candlestick chart to someone who is new to Forex, who knows nothing? With a simple definition, I will say a candlestick chart is a way of displaying information about an asset's price movement. I will not tell you the definition that maybe is in the textbook of Forex. You see, I'm not going to give you that information. I'm telling you what I know and what will be easy for you to understand. A candlestick is simply a way of displaying information about an asset's price movement. And also, this is what you need to know: candlesticks are one of the most popular components of technical analysis that enable traders to read and interpret price quickly and from just a few price bars. You know, whenever you see someone who is a technical trader, they rely on what the candlestick is showing them in order to get their analysis. Without any further ado, let me tell you this: a candlestick is made of a body, one, is made of a wick or a shadow, two, and also you need to know the color of that candle. The color of that candle. Each of these three components, each of these three factors, they tell you something about the market behavior. They tell you something about the price. When we speak of a candlestick pattern to somebody who does not know, we speak of something like this. We speak of something like this as I'm drawing it. We speak of something like this. It's not gonna be as perfect. Okay, this is a candlestick. This one is a green candlestick. Let me draw another one next to it, which will be red in color. Let me draw another one next to it, which will be red in color. This is a candlestick. Let me turn this one red in color. Good. Now this is what we're talking about when we're talking about a candlestick. This is a candlestick chart. This is a candlestick, and this candlestick that you see, it has the body. The green part on this candle is a body, and these are sticks here. We call it shadows, or we call it wicks. Let me do like this. Let me do like this so that we all follow. This, let me do like this. Yes, let me do like this. This one here, we call it a body, and this one here, we call it a wick or a shadow. It's gonna be an upper wick. It's gonna be an upper wick or an upper shadow, and this one here is gonna be a lower wick or lower shadow. That's about it. Okay, I wanted to draw it lower or higher, but you can see it. This is an upper wick, this is a body, and this is a lower wick. Now the body and the color of that body tells you something about the price. The body and the color of that body, they tell you something about the price. As you see, this one is green. Follow my cursor. This one is green. It's a bullish candlestick. It's a bullish candlestick. It means that the bulls are in power, or the buyers are dominant in this price session. In this market session, the bulls are dominant. The buyers are in the market more than the sellers. And the wick that you see here, this is the low of the session. This is the low of the session, and this is the high of the session. This is the low of the session and the high of the session. Let me draw it again so you may see it. This is the wick. This is the wick, and here we have what? We have the low, and here we have the high. We have the low and we have the high. Also, let me draw for you a body. Let me draw for you a body here. This is a low and this is a high. I will leave this one as it is. I'm not going to make it of any particular color. I will leave it as it is. And now for a green, okay, let me do like this. Let me also do like this. I hope you don't get confused. I just hope you don't get confused. Let us make this one red this side, and let us make it green this side. I just hope you don't get confused. This is a low and a high. All right, I think I'm gonna confuse myself. I think I'm gonna confuse myself. Let me do like this. Let me do like this. We erase this one erase this one. As you see, this one is divided. Let's say this one is a green candle this side, and this side is a red candle. For a green candle, this is a low, right? And this is a high. For a green candle, this is an open. This is an open price. And what is this? This is a close. You see? Meaning, a green candle or a bullish candlestick will open right here. Will open right here. This is where the green candle opens, and it pushes up. It pushes all the way up. It pushes all the way up, and also after it pushes all the way up, this is where it closes. The close is this one. But this high means this price movement, it went up. The buyers were in. The buyers were in control. They pushed the price all the way to this high. But when it got this high, there was a rejection. This rejection simply means that there are sellers at that area that were ready to short the price to push it down. They jumped in and sold until they close, until they push the price to close in this close. Do you get what I'm saying? And for a red candle, meaning a bearish candlestick, for a bearish candlestick, this is now an open. It's an opposite of a bullish. This is now an open. This is now an open, and this is a close. You see, this is an open and this is a close. For what? For a bearish candlestick. This is an open and this is a close. You must know this one thing. You must know this one thing, that a bullish candlestick opens in the low and closes high. A bullish candlestick opens in the low and closes high. And now a bearish is the opposite. A bearish candlestick is an opposite of the bullish. It's an opposite, meaning bearish candlestick opens, it opens high and close low. You see, it opens high, and where does it close? It closes low. This is what you need to know about the candlesticks. This is what you need to know about the candlestick. But these are not yet the patterns. I'm just showing you the anatomy of the candlestick patterns, or the anatomy of the candlestick charts, or the candlestick. This is what you are looking for. The color will not always be green or red. Sometimes the color will be black and white. Sometimes the color will be black, or the color will be white. For instance, a bearish candlestick. Let me start with the bullish. A bullish candlestick. A bullish candlestick in any platform that you will be using to trade, and whatever broker that you will be trading with or trading on, they will give you one of these two colors. For a bullish candlestick, they will give you one of these two colors. Either the bullish candlestick will be green, or the bullish candlestick will be white. But for a bearish candlestick, either the bearish candlestick will be black, or the bearish candlestick will be red. You see, either you will get a black or a red candlestick, you see. But for you to know and understand, regardless of the color, whenever a candlestick opens on the low and closes on the high, that is what? That is a bullish candlestick. And whenever it opens on the high and closes where? On the low, what is that? That is a bearish candlestick, meaning the bears are now in power. This one is a bearish candlestick. This one is a bearish candlestick. Now let us go to MT4 so I may show you what I'm talking about. For most people, like as I told you, the chart that we are using to analyze the price or to read the price, if you can see, follow my cursor, this one is a bar chart. It's written there, bar chart. And this one is a candlestick chart. Candlestick charts is written there. And this one is a line chart. It appears as is. This may be your default screen when you open your MetaTrader for the first time. Most likely it will come like this. This will be your default screen. You will have a white background and you will have a black and white color when you come here. This candle that you see here, the long black one, is a bearish candlestick. It's a bearish candlestick. The long black one is a what? It's a bearish candlestick, regardless of the color. Why is it a bearish candlestick? Because it opens here on the high and it closes down on the low. It opens on the high and it closes down on the low. This is let me do like this. Okay, let me find something. If you can see here, let me make it red. If you can see this line, this horizontal line that I just drew, and this one here, this is the high where this long candle opened, and this is the low where this candle closed. You see, hence it's a bearish candlestick. And if you can see this one, it opened right about this area. Let me draw it and make it green. Make this one green. Lime is okay. And this candlestick here that you are seeing is a what? It is a bullish candlestick. It's represented with a white color in this session we are in. It's represented with a white color in this platform. As you can see, the line, the lower line here is an open of this bullish candlestick, and the higher line, it's a what? It's a close of this bullish candlestick. If you can see the information they display in this rectangular box, or rather square box, it shows you time, it shows you open, it shows you high, it shows you low, it shows you close. It's the information, a detailed information of this bullish candlestick. But what I came on this MetaTrader 4 to do was to show you that sometimes the price will appear white, black and white, and sometimes, let us go to another one, and sometimes the price will appear what? Green and lime, or green, green and red, red and green, or red and lime, either way. Now let us go to the patterns. That's what we are about today. The chart patterns. As we are saying, this is a candlestick chart patterns. The topic of the day: candlestick chart patterns. This is it, candlestick chart patterns. Today you need to know that when we talk about chart patterns, there are reversal chart patterns. I'm not gonna be long. There are reversal chart patterns, and also there are what we know as continuation chart patterns, and there are also what we call continuation chart patterns. But what I am going to focus on today, what I'm going to what I'm gonna focus on today is only the reversal chart patterns. As we know that the Forex market does not go in one straight line. It goes in a zigzag form, in a zigzag movement, meaning if we have an uptrend, it won't appear in a price as one straight line going up. If we have a downtrend, it won't appear as one line that goes down like this. You see, this is a uptrend, this is a downtrend. But whenever we have an uptrend, that means the price will go in a zigzag form. It will go up, and then it will get exhausted and retrace down. It will continue and push up. It will be exhausted and go down. It will push up. This is how the price moves. But it's still an uptrend. And also when it comes to a downtrend as well, it will go down and it will get exhausted, and what will it do? It will go up, it will go down, up, in a zigzag manner, like this. This is how the price goes. It's a correction, it's an impulse, it's a correction, it's an impulse, or it's an impulse, it's a retracement, it's a impulse, it's a retracement, as you see here in our MetaTrader 4. If you can look in this MetaTrader 4, follow my cursor, please follow my cursor. You can see here, let me fix this so that I may be able to show you what I want to. As you can see, this is let me make it green. Even if I make it red, let me make it green. Okay, this is a trend line. This is a trend line. It's going up, but look at how the price is moving. It's an up. This leg here is an uptrend. So see how it is moving. It went up and then it pushed down and it went up again. What did it do? It got exhausted and pushed down. It went up again, got exhausted, pushed down. It went up to this level, and what did it do? It pushed all the way down. We are not analyzing now. I'm just showing you how the price moves. So as I said, we are going to focus only on these patterns here, the reversal patterns. But I will only share few patterns, the most common and the most powerful. One of those will be these two. Okay, yes, this is one, and then it goes like this, number one, and then this is one, and it goes like this, number one. This is a pin bar. This is a pin bar. If you've been around the Forex industry for some time, chances are you have heard about this pattern. It's a reversal pattern, and not just a reversal pattern, but a powerful reversal pattern. It is what? It is called a pin bar. It is called a pin bar, and this pin bar that you are seeing here is a reversal pattern. It's a reversal pattern. The names for the pin bars, you will get a hammer. You will get a hammer. A hammer will be the first one here. The green one. This green one is a hammer. This green one is a hammer. And then this red one, it's called hanging man. It's called the hanging man. This is the hammer and the hanging man. Let me do like this. Let me do like this. It's a hammer and also a hanging man. This is a hammer and this is a hanging man. If the price was going down, the price was going down, the price was going down, and then all of a sudden you see a hammer. The price was going down, and all of a sudden you see a hammer. The price was going down, and all of a sudden you see a hammer. Let me do like this. This was a downtrend, and then a hammer appeared. The hammer that you see it shows you that we might be reversing to the upside. There is a possible reversing in the market to the upside because the price was bearish, but all of a sudden the price from here, it was pushed up, and the candle, or rather the price, closed as bullish. And from there, what you are going to see, the price will move up. And the hammer is most important and powerful when it appears. It is most important and powerful when it appears at the support level. At the support level, that is when the hammer is most powerful. I have not yet told you about the support and the resistance. This is not a topic for that as yet, but I just want you to understand. And let me erase this one so I may have a space to draw something for you. Let me just clear this one. I wish there was a quick way or a simpler way to erase all this. It is the first time I'm using this painting software. I don't even know where to increase the eraser, because if it was bigger it would have done a quick job. So this is a hammer. Where do you find the hammer in order for you to trade it? At the support level. And this one is what is the hanging man. The red one is the hanging man. It's almost the same size as the hammer, and also the same wick, same everything. It will not always be the same when you see it on the market, when you see it on your MetaTrader 4. This one is a textbook information, but when you are now trading live, it becomes a different story. It becomes a different story. It's more like now you are writing notes in the classroom, and when you get to your exam, it becomes a different story. Even what you know, sometimes you tend not to know, but you know it. And the hanging man, you will find it at the resistance level, meaning the price was going up, the market was bullish. When the market was bullish, and all of a sudden, what do you see? It's a hanging man. It's a sign that the market wants to reverse and go or push downwards. It's a sign that the market wants to reverse and push downwards and push downwards. This is what a hammer, and this is a hanging man, or rather the hammer. This is the hammer and this is the hanging man. They are most powerful. Because of time, I'm not gonna be able to go through all the other reversal chart patterns, but I will come with part 2 of this teaching, and I will give it to you as I did with this one. The first one I said is what is the hammer, and the second one I said is what is the hanging man. The hammer and also the hanging man. Let me do like this. This is the hammer, this is the hanging man. Okay, this is the hammer and this is the hanging man. You can see it now. The opposite, or rather, yes, this is the hammer, the hanging man. The hammer is bullish, right? The hammer is bullish with this wick. This is the hammer. This is the hammer. And also, there is something called the inverted hammer. There is something called the inverted hammer. It is also bullish. It is also bullish, the inverted hammer. It is the opposite of this one, but it is called the inverted hammer. The inverted hammer is also a reversal powerful pattern, but the hammer, you trade the hammer at the support, but with the inverted hammer you trade it at the resistance. You trade it at the resistance. When the market was coming down, going up, and suddenly you see the hammer, it means the price is rejected from this area. The price is rejected from this area. The price is rejected from this area, and it went down, all the way down. Meaning, okay, this is where it opens. As we said, it opens here and push all the way up. It opens here and push all the way up, and from here the sellers went in and pushed the price down, but it closed bullish. It closed bullish with this selling pressure here, meaning the sellers are in the market. But this tells you that the bullish movement or the bullish price has now lost momentum. It has now lost volume, and there is a possible reversal to the downside. It is not wise to trade this right away. Wait for a confirmation. Your confirmation will be a bearish candle. Your confirmation will be a bearish candle that will look like this, and you can enter maybe after the closure of this bearish candle. But if you are using other means of confirming the reversal, or rather of confirming your trades, you can use them. There are many technical indicators that you use in your technical analysis, like stochastic, oscillator, MACD. We will get to that when we speak of indicators. For now, this is price action, pure price action. So this is an inverted hammer. Where do you trade it? At the resistance. This is a what? A hammer. Where do you trade it? At the support. And then also the hanging man. The hanging man, we said this one is a hanging man, right? We said this one is a hanging man. This one is a hanging man. When the price was going up, this one is a hanging man when the price was going up, and suddenly you see a hanging man. The price now wants to reverse and go down. This is a hanging man. The opposite of this hanging man is like this. It is also red in color. It is also red in color or black. It is also red in color or black. This is it. But we call this one the shooting star. We call this one the shooting star. We call this one the shooting star. It appears at the resistance level. It appears at the resistance level. The market was going up. Let me make it green. The market was going up, and all of a sudden you see this, meaning the price was rejected up there and it closed as this powerful candlestick pattern, and it closed as this powerful candlestick pattern, and now this is a sign of a reversal. I'm going to come back and share more and more about this about the candlestick chart patterns. I will continue with the candlestick chart patterns, the reversal patterns, and also go on to the continuation patterns, because also these patterns that you are seeing, you can use it for a continuation, or rather trend trading, when it's a continuation market or when it's a reversing market. When market, let's say it's an uptrend, okay, let's say the market is an uptrend and it retraces, if you see any of the continuation patterns, it gives you a chance to enter and ride the trend, or rather to add more positions if you had already caught the trend at the beginning. So that is all for today. I thought maybe I was gonna do more. Because there is more. I thought I was gonna do more. I wanted also to show you the patterns. I wanted to show you the patterns in real trading. I had already prepared them. This is the hammer. It's gonna be like this when you see it in your MetaTrader 4. This is a hammer. It's gonna be like this when you see it in your MetaTrader 4. And as you see that hammer, this area is an area of support. This is a shooting star. I'm gonna show you the one we have covered only. This is a shooting star. It's not always gonna appear as I drew it. Expect it like this as well. This is a shooting star. The small body and the long wick is a shooting star. And as you can see, what happened afterwards, the price went down. Here, as you can see, the hammer, we are expecting it to go up. It can go up as far as this green line you are seeing here, because it shows that there was an action that happened there. The price was rejected and it went down. So when it comes here, you can expect the price to be rejected again, but also the price can break out. You see, for instance, as I told you about the continuation, you see this bullish engulfing. I have not yet covered it yet. It pushed the price up and it was like it exhausted, it retraced, went up, exhausted, retraced. If you see these wicks here, and also all of a sudden you see this bullish engulfing candle, you can enter here and go up. This now serves as a continuation pattern, and also this now serves as a continuation pattern. But I will show you what are continuation patterns when we complete, or rather continue, with this session of the candlestick chart patterns. This is Forex Emergency Help. Please like, please share, and please subscribe, as I will be coming with more of this information, especially for beginners and for the intermediate, those who have been trading but without seeing results. Because sometimes you can have the information but you do not know how to apply the information. Many people, they know the hammer, they know the hanging man, but they don't know how to trade it, because the hammer and the hanging man can appear anywhere, or rather a candle that is formed as the hammer and the hanging man can appear anywhere in the market, but it does not mean you should take it and trade it. It does not mean it's a signal for a reversal or for a continuation. You need to see also, you need to see to it that it appears at a strong level. Could it be it's a support, or rather it's a what? It's a resistance, and that is when you can take it as a signal and make your trading. God bless you all. Please like, please share, and please subscribe my channels, Brilliant Trading Tips, and also Forex Emergency Help. God bless you all. Shalom.